You'd think it would be a little more self-explanatory than it is. There's a lot of factors we go into when sizing let's say a for-profit or a back-of-the-house laundry for hotel, nursing home, correctional, for-profit laundries. What's our volume? How many people will be available to run it? How many hours a day do you want to run the operation, and how many days a week you're going to run the operation? A hotel's a 7 days a week operation, but you want to get it done in 5 hours. We need to know the entire week's load and figure out how to make sure that we want to get it done in we want to get it 1 8-hour shift, 5 days a week. That's going to look differently than two shifts, 7 days a week on what size machines we have. It doesn't do good to have more machines, washers and dryers, than you have people that have the ability to load it, unload it, fold it, stack it, and get out of there. So then it's a waste of money to have it sitting there if you're not going to staff it. Another interesting one is how fast you need to turn that, meaning do you have enough par of linen that you have one on the beds, one in the closet, one in the laundry, and maybe even a spare, so that you have enough reserve to be able to do a 5-day work week versus a 7-day. All of that goes into that conversation of what is the properly sized machine for your facility. Scalability and sizing it really comes down to the room size that we've done our work with the architects when we're designing that laundry room. Or how can we expand that laundry room to be able to put more equipment in if it hasn't been designed already. So it really becomes a physical limitation in a lot of respects. Although you could, say that a smaller footprint, if we needed to move from a 60-pound washer to an 80-pound washer, be able to pull that machine out, trade it in, and put a bigger size machine in there. We can do we do that a lot. We can help you upgrade that size of it. But having us work with your design team on new construction is the best place for us to start to help you for potential growth opportunities.